guys, welcome back to the channel Bread Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So in this video we are going to create this login form using Material UI. So let's begin. In order to create this form using Material UI, and as you can see here, it is having such nice UI effects. So this as you can see here, this input is having some transitions, this button is having ripple effects, and this is looking awesome. So in order to get this, we need to go to MUI.com. We need to install this in our package, in our project. So you need to copy these two commands and run it in your terminal. So I already did all the setup of the Material UI. So now I will directly show my package edition to you. So this is the 4 dependencies that would be installed. If you are getting any issues, you can copy this same dependency array, same dependencies, and you can just type npm install in your terminal. You would get the packages. So now I have created a tut underscore MUI.js in order to teach you what is MUI, and now I am going to directly render my tut underscore MUI.js. So let me do that. So now let's understand the first Material UI component, which is button, because there are a lot of components in Material UI, but I would directly teach you button because it's the simplest one. So let's import button. Button looks something like this, and let's name this login. Let's go here, and as you can see here, there is a nice ripple effect in this button, and that's already looking awesome. So let's customize this and make this more good looking. So we need a typography. So there's some props in button. So there's a variant prop in your button, and you can set the variant to something like contained. You can set the variant to contain. You can set the variant to contained, outline, or a text. Text is the by default one. Contained looks something like this, which is awesome, as you can see here. And there is one more, which is outlined, and this is also nice. So I would keep contained for now because I like that the most. So now that's looking awesome, but let's change the color. So let's keep it green. So you can add color prop right there, and there is a success color. There are a lot of colors. Let me show you. As you can see here, there are around 7 to 8 colors, but I would keep success one. This is nice. So we understand how to use buttons in Material UI. So let's understand the next component, which is the text field. So let's use text field above the button because we need text field on the top. And as you can see here, we got this text field. Now let's add some. Customize this text field and make this awesome. So there is a label prop there. This is similar to placeholder. So let's make this. There's a label prop there. This is similar to placeholder. So let's make enter your username like this. And as you can see here, we have already got this nice transition in the label. So we just wrote the label and we got this nice awesome transition effects as well. So as you can so you can understand the power of Material UI. So let's change the color to success. And I did some mistakes right there. Let me solve that. And that's done. And we need 2 text fields for password also. And we have done with our text fields. So let's go. So now let's learn the next component, which is tag. As you can see here, the components right now are awesome, but they are not aligned properly. They are all messed up. So let's see what is stack. So if I go here and create a stack here like this, and I need to wrap this inside this. Yeah, the stack is basically used for keeping everything in stack. There is a direction prop in stack. As you can see, I just added the stack and I automatically got column direction. So as you can see here, we can also go to direction prop and we can add column, row, column reverse and row reverse. These are the directions. And I think there are more. So let's use column for now. And we got this. But as you can see here, there is everything messed up. So let's use the next component in order to solve this issue. So let's use a box. Let me tell you, this is also a material UI component for keeping everything nicely. And also the name box is quite self-explanatory. And now in this box, in any component of material UI, we can add a prop called SX in order to do styling. So SX equals to double curly braces, yeah, something like this. And now let's do some styling. We got everything perfect. Now let's increase the width of the stack and let's make this whole text field perfect for this. Yeah, we did it. And now, as you can see here, now if I try to check this in mobile, there is some issue. As you can see here, everything is getting too, everything is in too less padding, too less width, and everything is messed up. So let's solve that. So there's a hook for this in Material UI called use media query. So let me create a constant called media query, and this would be equal to use media query like this. And this takes a string, and here you need to assign the max width or a min width. So let me assign the max width of 446 pixels. We use media query is a hook made by Material UI. This simply takes the max width or a min width. So this returns whether true or false. If, as you can see here, in this case I made a max width of 446 pixels. So the width is, if the width is below 446 pixels or 446 pixels, it will return me true, else it would return me false. So I wanted just this. So what I can do right here is I can use template literals like this, and I would just check, and this would be work. So if I go here, as you can see, that's working, not working actually. Yeah, now I got it. I haven't wrote pixels right there. So that was the mistake. I just need to wrote pixels as well. So now if I check the media query, if I go under 446 pixels, it gets 70%, which is cool. I think we should do this at 538 pixels only. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So we are almost done with our form, but we just need some padding here and we need a text here. So let's do this padding work first. So in order to do this, let's add some padding in text fields. Padding bottom, and padding spelling is already wrong. Let me assign the padding bottom to 30 pixels. Think it's quite more, but padding bottom is also not working because it's padding bottom. Yeah, now it will work. And let me make this 20 pixel. It's too much. What if 15? Yeah, this is fine. I got perfect. Now let's add the text. So text is also component in Material UI called typography, from which you can add text. Typography we need to and we also need to import this from Material UI. So let's do it. Yeah. Now let's add the login text right there. We got this, and there's some variant prop in text, and I need to get this text inside the stack. And this variant should be equals to a heading tag, a subtitle, or any HTML text related tags. So I set this variant to H4, and that's looking cool. So let's do some CSS. So let's do color stuff. So color, I have the color right here. So this is the color for the text, which is green, the same green which is used in the, yeah, we got it. Now I think I should center this, or I can keep this right there only. So let's do some margin padding work. So margin bottom, let's add 5 pixel margin, and this should complete our project. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is quite neat, tidy project just created in 10 minutes, and it took 10 minutes for me because I was also teaching for you. Teaching to you, it almost takes 5 minutes or 2 minutes in order to create this, and as you can see, the project is already looking awesome. And also there are a lot of components in Material UI which you can use, as you can see here. I can't cover all of them in this video. I will teach them in next video. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon as well. Don't forget to subscribe.